How to share a printer from Windows 10 to Windows 11. Hi everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can share a printer from Windows 10 to Windows 11. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to connect your printer from Windows 10 to Windows 11, you're just gonna follow up this process. In order to do that, first of all, just open up your computer. After opening up your computer, you'll be able to go to the control panel. Just search for control panel in the search bar and go to hardware and sound, and under there you can see view device and printers. Just double click on it and wait for it to load, and you're just gonna go under the printer that is connected. Right now I don't have any printer connected, so I'm just gonna briefly tell you. You're just gonna go to one of the printers. Let's say this is one of them, and you're just gonna head over to the properties of that printer. Just right click on it, and when you right click on it, you'll be finding properties under there. Just go to properties. At the last, you can see that properties option. Just go there. Then there's a pop-up will appear, and here you're gonna go under sharing, and here you'll be finding different kind of options. So here you'll be finding different kind of options under that printer sharing section. You're just gonna go on with some of the process like this. Like here, you're just gonna go to this option here. After that, go to change advanced settings and go to turn on file preferring sharing and all networks. You're just gonna click on this option. After that, turn off personal processing, and here you need to go on with the process of taking your IP address from your computer. From that, just type into the client computer and connect your printer. After that, your problem should probably be fixed, and you should be able to connect your printer from Windows 10 to Windows 11. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.